First, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. It's been an amazing day. I've been basically studying the market. But listen, here I am again on Christmas, just like I promised. I'll be here on New Year's too for you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this market, I want to thank you guys that's been liking and subscribing to the videos. It definitely helps the channel grow. Lately, there's been a huge stir as far as what's going on with crypto and how, YouTube is potentially shifting a lot of the users away from crypto videos. So I want to encourage you guys to please like the video. If you guys believe in cryptocurrency, believe what we stand for, believe in this revolution, like the video, be sure and subscribe. I make these videos every day. The idea is to kind of trick the YouTube algorithms in our favor. People talk to me about how the list of videos comes up every day. And it used to be, previously it was all crypto videos, and now they're not seeing any of the crypto videos. So potentially YouTube has adjusted the algorithm to not bring crypto YouTube videos to the forefront. So please like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Slightly red day. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $191 billion. Bitcoin at 72.63. Okay, if you guys remember yesterday, I talked to you. We were getting this retest right here. I said, hey, we expect more downside if this happens. And we did get some downside. Not much, then we got a bounce. You have a huge gap in the VPVR down here. So you could see, if this doesn't hold, you can see a drop to 68.85. This 6,700 target's still valid, but I want to explain something to you. Unless we break back up into this pattern, okay, and then this invalidates the 6,700 target. So these targets, kind of like an if-then statement. If we break up back inside this pattern, then that would invalidate this breakout, right? It would invalidate this target as well. Now, this is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. A lot going on in this chart, so I'll explain it to you. So this orange rising wedge, which we just broke lower from, the price action's now formed a falling wedge, 68% chance of a break higher. So I drew these arrows. Potentially we see a move down to 7,100, and then at some point 68% chance this does break higher, so we could see a short-term bounce. I also had some things on here just about the previous bullish divergence playing out. You can see this price pump happens exactly when this bullish divergence is confirmed. If you guys don't know bullish divergence, it's a game changer. Like, it's the closest thing to predicting this market, moves in this market as you can find as far as TA goes, I think. Real quick, I want to talk to you about Tomo. So I posted this setup in my trading group. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group where I post chart setups, profitable trading setups like Tomo every single day. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading this market, you will be able to trade successfully and be profitable after you watch these videos. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, working together. You got over 1,000 sets of eyes working together with you to trade this market. It makes it phenomenally easier. So this is Tomo. I posted this chart Tuesday. And you see you've got your same falling wedge down here that you have here. We're buying the breakout of the yellow trend line. So you set your alert, buy the breakout. And, Tomo's a top gainer on Binance right now. Here, look, Tomo, top gainer, #1. Okay, so it hasn't been an amazing day for the altcoins. The market was kind of just doing nothing most of the day today. So there's a lot of, there's Telegram groups that are going to tell you where the unusual buying activity comes from. So you got 38.5 Bitcoin buy orders happened over 9 minutes. So immediately to go to that coin and look and find the setup, right? So there's a ton of tools that I'll show you guys in my trading group that you guys can use on a daily basis to find out where this market's moving. So if you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. If you do want to pay with a card, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. Remember, crypto payments are the way to go. Spend and replenish, right? You get 20% discount if you pay for 6 months. You get a 30% discount if you pay for the year, and an additional month for free. It's less than $1.30 a day if you pay for the year. It's ridiculously cheap. One of my goals in life is to show everybody I could possibly find that TA is amazing. Like, it works. And I'm passionate about it, and that's why I talk about it all the time, because I'm a believer. And this is a gentleman, I'm going to play a video real quick. He wasn't a believer. He joined the group, and now he's starting to see the light. So
I looked at the lines you put in, and I said, this is a little out of whack. I didn't have this line in here that you were putting in, because I didn't believe in it. But now I see that this morning at 3 a.m., here's that first test. Bang, right down to 72.50. And now, bang, we did it again. Tremendous work. And I love how you put this stuff out for us to see, man. You really, really help us. So keep up the good work, man.
Okay, so real quick, back to crypto YouTube chaos. I could make a whole other video about the stuff I've got at the end of this video. I'm probably not going to include it in this video. Maybe put it. I just feel like everybody's already talked about it all day today. I watched more YouTube videos today than I've watched in probably the past 3 months. Just listening to what everybody's going through on YouTube. Like I already went through this with my other channels. You guys know that. And so this is, to me, this is not a new thing. This is it's already been out there and happened to me. So I know what a lot of YouTubers are scared. Like they don't want to lose your channels. They put a lot of work in this. I don't want to see anybody lose anything, really. I wish the best for everybody. And so, I took precautions today. I put a bunch of videos on private. The one thing about news videos, they don't really have a long shelf life, so I could probably just delete them, right? 300 videos gone. Essentially, that's probably what I'll do. There's a lot of scenarios people are talking about. You've got other websites, potentially other platforms that want crypto YouTubers to move there. And so everybody's saying, hey, they're trying to sabotage YouTube and crypto YouTubers. You got the Bitcoin SV crew, where this guy, Bitcoin Hoarder, says Bitcoin's not Bitcoin, or BTC is not Bitcoin, and it's consumer fraud to call it such. So you got the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV saying, hey, unless you mention Bitcoin in its true sense, you're this is fraudulent. Alessio Razani lost his YouTube channel about a week ago, but basically he had scammers impersonating him. So he did get his channel back, but people were not making it easy for him. Chico Crypto, he is banned for 7 days. And that's a long week because you just realize, YouTube, we work for YouTube at this point. Ivan on Tech, he's got people after him. He says, hey, after Ivan, we're going for Crown. Crown's crypto cave. People are, so Crown's looking at putting things on private. But if you look, Ivan on Tech, this channel has no videos. This gentleman's got 211,000 subscribers. So there's a lot of just uncertainty in crypto YouTube. Even I saw CZ made a tweet on it where he said, you guys need to look at these other social media platforms and whatnot. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. I've already got a plan in place. I've already dealt with this once. I would just make a Telegram channel and probably post them in Telegram, and it works fine. It would work fine. So if it comes to that, that's the direction we'll go. But we use Twitter to communicate if something does happen to this platform. What's crazy to me is this is a live stream right now. And if you go down, here it is. To celebrate the global power of Ethereum and ETH, we're proud to announce the airdrop pool of 100,000 Ethereum. If you send 3 Ethereum, you get 30 Ethereum back. If you send 10 Ethereum, you get 100 Ethereum back. This is playing live right now. There's so many scams in crypto. It's just just can't wait until 2020. I'm so excited about 2020. It's not even funny. It's going to be epic. 2020, 2021. The years we've been waiting for, guys. So just hang in there. Don't worry about YouTube. Well, this is just a bump in the road. Don't worry about this. Make sure we can communicate. Get on Twitter. We're good. We'll work it out. Not even worried about it. Now, Bitcoin retraces early 2019 pattern. Can the year end on a positive note? And it could if this happens. And so this is my bullish scenario for a short-term move to 8,000. Okay, so you've got, see this huge green candle where we ran up from 7,200 to 9,000, 10,000 actually, right? So you had a bullish MACD cross. I'm not saying it's going to happen like that again because you had some bullish divergence that played out, but we do have the same MACD cross that will be confirmed really soon. It's crossed, but I'd like to see a little bit. I want to see more data, and I need more info on this. Remember, in TA, we're gathering more data every day, every second of every day. You see how the histogram will be these down yellow lines, right? This is where negative momentum is growing, and then it's shrinking. And a lot of times it'll go from negative to positive. And so that's where we're at. Has the opportunity to kind of move to positive right now. So that has to happen. Or again, we're looking for this swing. So this bullish MACD cross needs to be confirmed. I need these 2 lines to diverge a little bit more. And then you've got this triangular pattern on the RSI, and it needs to break higher. And so I'll keep you updated on this. But if this plays out, again, 8,000, potentially a little bit higher than that is in the cards. But unless we break out to the upside, I feel like we've got more downside ahead of us. 6,000, 5,500. But short-term, bullish scenario, end the year on a positive note. If you guys haven't picked up a Ledger Nano X right now, you can get the Christmas pack still. It's still up, still working. You get 2 ledgers. You get a Ledger Nano X and a free Ledger Nano S for $119 free shipping. So definitely there's a link in the description. It does support the channel. This person states banks made $34 billion off overdraft fees in 2017. In other words, they made $34 billion off by fining people for going broke. No one charges you fees for an empty Bitcoin wallet. This is why the global poor need crypto. Yeah, banks make so much money. Banks make a killing on these fees. Chinese police seized 6,800 crypto miners in the city in China. So the report states there's a special operation to combat the crime of power theft. So it's all of a sudden everything changes when the price to mine a Bitcoin is free. Just pay for the hardware. Everything changes. They're mining crazy in China right now. I talked to you guys about like one province in China mines 54% of all the Bitcoin. 66% of all the Bitcoins mined in China. They're smart. They're about to get rich. Bitcoin currency option has been included in Microsoft Excel 2019. Mainstream adoption. It's happening. It's happening. Can't stop it. One day, Microsoft and Steam are going to be able to accept Bitcoin. Wait, they did this in 2015 and then got driven away. So, yeah, Microsoft and Steam used to take Bitcoin. But previously, yeah, Microsoft and Steam dropped support, basically right during the bull run. Why? Because Bitcoin was just too volatile. And obviously, those high fees were just ridiculous. It was like $25 for a Bitcoin transaction, and that really broke the camel's back. And I think potentially at this point, there's better cryptocurrencies for payments. I think, Bitcoin's a good store of value. Until Lightning Network changes the game completely, I don't know if Bitcoin is the best form of payment as far as speed. Fees aren't very bad now, but it's not fast enough right now. So Lightning Network needs to come in to change that. However, there's plenty of cryptos that can be used quickly. The Bitcoin hash rate is at a new all-time high as Bitcoin dominance reaches 69% in the same period. Boy, those miners, they go long on Bitcoin. They'll sit and hold it for a while too. Phantom announces launch of Opera Mainnet. This is going to happen on December the 27th. These mainnet launches, as far as price goes, hit or miss. I think Phantom did have a move to the upside recently, but shout out to Let's Go STO. He says, this place used to be cool. Now we have a crypto community which can't even support their own. Just tribalistic downvotes. Crypto as a whole is so small in terms of market cap, yet people go out of their ways just to shiz on the pioneers as if the projects threaten to take away some piece of their pie. And that's, gosh, it drives me crazy. Like, this is not me versus this person. This is not my crypto versus you. This is, hey, let's all get tons of money and go on a crypto cruise like we will be. You guys are all invited. Crypto cruise is coming, guys. Watch. Let's just get this bull run over with. I'm going to be cheering on everybody. Sell the top. Sell the top. Okay. Ethereum sinking. $25 million worth of Ethereum hits exchanges as traders wind down for the holidays. Big moves in Ethereum. So people are thinking, hey, we might see a sell-off. Vitalik Buterin wants to speed up the transition to Ethereum 2.0. So again, this is much needed upgrade for Ethereum. Also, Vitalik, he signed up, he took interest in EOS's social media platform. It's called Voice. I just don't think right now blockchain is where it needs to be as far as competing with centralized social media. Over 100 million shoppers can now invest in crypto using a mobile application. And so this is from e-commerce giant Rakuten, the Amazon of Japan. They've announced this new service is going to boost adoption of mainstream cryptocurrencies. And so this is the Rakuten wallet app. Maybe it's Rakuten. Is it Rakuten or Rakuten? You know what? I did a little research. I had somebody in the comments the other day, and they're like correcting my speech or how I pronounce something. I'm just thinking, man, I'm from South Georgia. I do not intend to even try to sound like Mr. Perfect proper English. Okay, so, but I did do some research on this.
Rakuten.
Rakuten.
That's me. Rakuten. That's me.
Rakuten.
You guys kill me with these comments sometimes, but definitely comment in the box. At least we got something to talk about. Comment. Leave me a comment. Rakuten. Okay, the Amazon of Japan. So they launched a cryptocurrency exchange with this wallet app that they've created back in April. And there's also loyalty points that you can convert to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash. So pretty good news for crypto. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and please like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Definitely subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you up to date every day on all things crypto. Have a Merry Christmas. Thanks so much.